A virtual appointment allows a client to be seen in the convenience and privacy that they choose. The first part of the virtual care appointment is the registration process. Once a client calls to schedule a virtual care appointment, they will be registered by the front desk. After that, they will receive an encrypted email with the paperwork needed for the appointment. Within that email, there will be a link for the virtual care appointment. We do ask that clients erase this link after the appointment is done and that they don't share it with anybody. You also have the option to have a guest available for part or all of your appointment if you would like. Once the needed paperwork has been sent back to the clinic, the client will receive an email with details regarding the appointment. This will include information about the appointment time, the provider that the client will be seeing, and our sliding fee scale. Here they will see the front desk. They will go through any paperwork that needs to be filled out and get any questions answered. From there, they will be sent to a virtual waiting room where they will meet with the provider. During this time, the provider will see them, go through the appointment. Once the appointment's completed, they will send the client back to the virtual waiting room where they will once again meet with the front desk. During this time, the front desk will go through the checkout process, again answer any questions that the client might have, and finish the visit. If at any time you have questions regarding your virtual care appointment, feel free to call the clinic staff for assistance.